How to change Facebook page name. If you want to change the name of your Facebook page, then you are on the right place. I will guide you the step-by-step process to change your Facebook page name. First of all, make sure you are logged in and also make sure you are using the updated version of Facebook application. Now click on these three horizontal lines and click on this arrow and also make sure that you have selected the right page that you want to change the name. For example, I want to change the name of this page. It is switching to the specific page. I want to change the name. Now click on these three horizontal line again and click on these here. Now click on page setting. Now click on name and wait for a few seconds. Now click on, once you click, then it will automatically take you to the next page. So here we can change the name, for example, Infinite World. Yes. Okay, now click on review change and it is asking that this is how your name will appear on your profile. Infinite World Wisdom to Infinite World SS. And here you have to write your password. Once you have write your password, click on save change and it will automatically change the Facebook page name. But make sure that if you change the Facebook page name, then you will not be able to change the name for another 60 days. So make sure you have make this last. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.